Did you know that the Maya civilization was one of the most dominant indigenous societies of Mesoamerica, long before the Europeans set foot on the continent? Our journey begins around 2600 BC, with the dawn of the Mayan civilization. Nestled within the verdant landscapes of what is now known as Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and southern Mexico, these early Mayans laid the foundation for a society that would flourish for centuries to come. The initial settlement patterns of the Mayans were quite intriguing. They began as nomadic tribes wandering the vast plains and forests, hunting for food, and gathering what nature provided. But as time passed, they began to establish more permanent settlements. These early communities were built around the cultivation of maize, a staple crop that became central to their diet and culture. But the Mayans were not just farmers, they were innovators, thinkers, scholars. Around the 3rd century BC, they developed one of the world's only true writing systems, known as Maya script. This complex system of hieroglyphs allowed them to record their history, their beliefs, and their astronomical observations, paving the way for a richly documented civilization. Speaking of astronomy, the Mayans were way ahead of their time. They carefully observed the stars and planets, charting their movements with remarkable accuracy. Their understanding of celestial bodies was so advanced that they could predict solar eclipses and even the movement of the planet Venus. And let's not forget about their prowess in mathematics. They developed a numerical system that included the concept of zero, a mathematical tool that many other civilizations had yet to comprehend. This allowed them to perform complex calculations, further fueling their astronomical and architectural feats. As we move forward, we'll explore how the Mayans from humble beginnings grew to form one of the most complex societies of their time. How did a civilization that started as nomadic tribes come to build monumental pyramids, develop a sophisticated calendar system, and make significant strides in art, science, and culture? Well, stay tuned to find out. The Golden Age of the Mayans, also known as the Classic Period, was a time of great advancement and growth. Unfolding from 250 AD to 900 AD, this era saw the Mayan civilization reach its zenith, leaving a legacy that continues to astound us today. Picture this: a civilization without metal tools, beasts of burden, or even the wheel, yet they were able to construct monumental architectural feats. Palaces, temples, and pyramids towered over vast city-states, intricate stonework etched with glyphs that narrate tales of kings and queens, gods, and the cosmos. They were not just builders, they were storytellers, their stone edifices a testament to their rich cultural tapestry. Art was not merely aesthetic, it was a language. Every stroke of paint, every carving had a purpose, weaving narratives of their daily lives, their beliefs, their victories, and their defeats. From delicate pottery to complex murals, the Mayans expressed their worldview in vibrant colors and intricate designs, immortalizing their stories for generations to come. Science, particularly astronomy, played a pivotal role in Mayan society. With clear skies and undiluted curiosity, the Mayans charted the stars, the planets, the movement of celestial bodies with astonishing accuracy. Their calendar, more precise than the Julian calendar of Rome, was an intricate mesh of mathematical and astronomical knowledge. This deep understanding of the cosmos permeated their daily lives, influencing agriculture, religion, and even architecture. The Mayan society was complex, a network of city-states, each with its own ruler. Religion was the backbone, the glue that held society together. The gods they worshipped were as numerous as they were diverse, each with its own domain, be it maize, rain, sun, or death. Rituals, ceremonies, even human sacrifices were a part of their religious practices, a testament to their unwavering faith. The end of the Classic Period marked a significant turning point in Mayan history, leading to a period of decline and mystery. But what triggered this decline? What secrets does this civilization still hold? Let's delve deeper as we continue our journey through Mayan history. After centuries of prosperity and advancement, the Mayan civilization began to crumble. A civilization that had once been a beacon of innovation and culture in the ancient world was now facing its twilight. But what led to this sudden decline? Several theories have been proposed to explain the mysterious downfall of the Mayans post-900 AD. One of the most prominent theories points to intense warfare. The archaeological evidence suggests a period of increased violence and conflict during these times. The Mayans, known for their city-states, were often in conflict for territorial control and resources. This constant warfare could have led to political instability, disrupting their society and ultimately leading to their decline. Environmental changes too played a crucial role in the Mayan downfall. The Mayans were heavily dependent on their environment, and any changes could have had devastating effects. Evidence suggests that the Mayans experienced severe droughts, which could have led to crop failures and famine. The lack of food and water would have resulted in widespread death and displacement, further destabilizing the civilization. Overpopulation is another theory that has been put forward. The Mayans had grown rapidly, and their population may have outstripped the available resources. Overpopulation could have led to overfarming and deforestation, which in turn would have caused soil erosion and an inability to produce enough food to sustain the population. Lastly, societal unrest may have also contributed to the decline of the Mayans. As resources became scarce, and the effects of warfare and environmental changes took hold, societal tensions would have increased. Discontent among the populace could have led to internal conflicts and the eventual collapse of the Mayan civilization. Despite these theories, the exact reasons for the sudden decline of the Mayan civilization remain a mystery. However, one thing is clear. Despite their decline, the Mayans left behind a rich legacy that continues to fascinate us. The Mayans may have vanished, but their influence on modern culture is indisputable. Their legacy is etched into the very fabric of our society, subtly influencing various facets of our daily lives. Their intricate calendar system, for instance, has shaped how we perceive and measure time. It's a testament to their deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics, disciplines they excelled in. The Mayan art and architecture, filled with symbolism and grandeur, continue to inspire artists and architects today, adding a unique dimension to contemporary aesthetics. The Mayan glyphs, though not completely deciphered, have broadened linguistic studies and given us a glimpse into a sophisticated ancient language system. Moreover, the continued study of Mayan civilization provides valuable insights into sustainable living and the delicate balance between humans and nature. So, next time you look at a calendar or gaze at the stars, remember the Mayan civilization that contributed so much to our understanding of time and space. What other ancient civilizations do you think have shaped our world in unexpected ways?